Yeah. Well, before Ben starts with all his stories, I need to know where you're from. Part of the tour is to make jokes about your country. So where are you from? That's big. Where in America? Boston. Very welcome. Pittsburgh. London. But you are together, are you not? Welcome. Austria. Same like here, beautiful mountains. Yeah. Very welcome. Jersey. New Jersey. Very welcome. New Zealand. Ooh, wow. Right there. And Seattle. Same climate as here, I heard. Yeah. You okay on the right side of the boat? Not too bad. Getting used to it. Very welcome. India. Very welcome. Costa Rica. Ooh, there is some Spanish.